Hi everyone, that's Dorota International Nail Artist and Educator here, and I've got another design for you, this time some smoky effect, and that's a fun with the neon pigments. Have a preview of them here. It is definitely a really interesting design to play with. I hope you really enjoyed it, so let's start. That's the smoky effect. It looks actually really nice on the nails, like a smoke with all sorts of different neon colors on it, and I'm showing you how to do it. So we are going to use the black background, and it's best to do it on the black background. So I'm using 183, which is a black ink, and I love this black. You guys know that it is an one coat black, which is so fantastic. Obviously I'm applying it really nice and thin. Work through your black. You don't want to apply it too much over it, just so it doesn't wrinkle. Okay, and then let's cook it. So 60 seconds cure, and do the same on this one. We'll do three different designs because it's a really nice technique. Very easy one. So paint this one and then cook it as well. And another one. I think they're awesome for a different time of the year. Like you can do it for, since with doing a black background, you can do it either for a summer or for a winter time as well. Because we've got the combination of all sort of different things. So the first tip is ready, and I'm going to use the white French gel, D-liner brush, and basically what I'm doing is I'm just going to, so on this one I will paint it like as thicker on the bottom, and then it goes to the top and it's just thinner. Okay, then you take a blue scrap. Blue scrap is an nail dehydrator. I'm actually going to do it with the nail prep. Pick up a scoop of the nail prep on the side. You could do it with the large brush as well. It will be probably even quicker. I've got some smaller brush, and what I'm doing, I'm just wiping the excess, and then do it even more. So you can see it, what is happening with the white gel. It starts to smudge, and it's kind of creating those smoky effect. You cannot really go wrong with this technique. Like it looks super cool. I'm actually gonna love this one. And then once we're happy with the look, you have to cure it for 60 seconds. Now let's do it on another one. So again, I'm picking up a small amount of the white French gel. And a bit more. In this one, I'm going to do it like a little bit different, just so they are not all the same. And then the nail prep. I'm actually going to try it straight from the bottom. Keep in mind you will need to really clean the brush after it. Or just put it there and then use the small one to smudge it. Oh, that's pretty cool as well. It gives a different result too. Yeah, I think it's pretty interesting too. See, I like to play with different things, you know, guys, like, because we can get all sort of different design. And then let's cook it. After I fix what I have touched. I've got one more to do. Again, different. So this time I'm smudging it more into the sides. I'm keeping the center more intense. So the sides are really smoky. Okay, first tip is ready. Let me close the products. Remember, guys, when you're working with the pigments, like, keep the things nice and neat. You don't want it all over the place. I've got like an old brush which I have cutted, and I will be using that for a change on those pigments. Yellow in. Rub this in. Clean it. Actually, I'm going to take them all, so I don't have to clean the brush as much in between. And this one yellow from the bottom. Obviously the pigment sticks into the black gel polish as well, but because on the black it's not going to be visible, we still get a really nice and cool effect after cleaning the excess of the pigments. Okay, orange. My wipe is really dry because I don't want the residue from the gel polish to mess up my pigments. So using those clean wipe is actually really handy, guys. Okay, and then I'm smudging. So if I would be doing this design on the client, I would use color by color. You definitely get a cleaner results because you don't have to clean your brush as much. And I'm trying to use the lightest color first, going to the darkest one. Okay, blend that out. This one is actually ready. We can put it on the side. I'm not going to put any more colors in there. This one, blend the orange with the pink. Grab some purple or maybe blue. So with the blue, I'm just cleaning my brush on the blue and then pick up the blue again, put at the end, leave it, put at the end, and then start blending it out. Blue pigment, like, apply it at the tiniest, blue and purple ones, that's the strongest one, I would say. So apply it like the tiniest amount ever if you want to get a pretty nice results with it. Just a very tiny amount. Okay, take a dust brush and put those pigments on the side. You don't want to split them because they are all over the place. The dust manicure dust brush, I love this brush because it's effective but also gentle enough to don't scratch our designs for chromes and pigments. Yeah, it's nice and soft. You could brush the baby's head with it. So they are my favorite brushes, and they're quite nice even for cleaning, like, you know, the dust from the nails. That's the first tip ready. I actually really love these results because we've got those intense part and then we've got the smoky effect part as well. Let's apply the top coat so our black becomes blacker, if you can say that word. So the black is more black. And then that's this. Yes, they are more visible than like all the design looks cleaner. So we've got this one. That's a nice mixture, you know. It almost looks like a horse head, the seahorse head. Can you see that, guys? There is a no, yeah. Oh, even cameraman can see it. No, nothing, nothing. Actually, you could do the smoky effect like in a flower shape or in other different shapes as well. I think that will be, yeah, it looks like a head. Let's cook it. And the last one, so remove the excess of the pigment. Normally I would have those pigments closed. I just usually for the videos, I'm saving as much time as possible on every single bit. I love this one as well. You know, I love the simplicity of it. Gosh, I'm picking up so strange words today. Yeah, it looks kind of nice and clean. So top coat it, cook it, and then I can show you all four designs which we done today. And I hope you really like it, this technique. Really quick and easy. And I know, guys, you're asking like for some beginner's design, so this is definitely one of that. Wait for the top coat to cool down before you touch it. This one is going to go here. Trying to kind of sort them out with the colors as well. And then the next one, I can add it there. It's cool because we've got all sort of different colors. And then the last one, just in there. See, I don't like when they're so messy. I always want to put them down really nice, like, but I don't want to waste your time on doing so. That's ugly. This should be there. This should be there. Okay, it's not bad, but it's not nice yet. So that's the effect which we have created today. Smoky nail art. I hope you have guys really enjoyed. Sending you glittery hugs and bye for now.